I said I have something. I said I have something for you. Huh? It's not this. No, 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 no. It's not this one. These are my paraphernalia. Okay? What I'm saying is I have something for you. What is your blood? Saan yung suklay? Para sa buhok mo na maganda. I have something for you. This one. Yee! Check. Sit muna. Dali. Check what's inside. Check what is inside. You know, I brought your favorite, my love. Cherry! Huh? What? Yes, what else you have? You have? Huh? You like it? You like? You like? How to open? We don't have spoon actually. I did not buy yogurt today. This one first or this one? Which one you like first? This one or this one? This one first. Okay, we are going to open it like this. Ay! It's strawberry pala din. Nakala ko yung favorite mo na banan, yung ano, mango. Yummy? Yummy? Gusto mo yan? Hindi. You like? Nasaan yung pamunas natin dito? Ito yung pamunas. Hindi, you don't like? You don't like? Yeah? Yummy? Dali. Peras pala kasi ito. This one you like? This one you like? It's not cold, no? Matapon. Slowly kasi matapon ito, my love. Don't touch. See. Don't hold. Ang akia is beautiful. Don't hold. Oh. Yay! Punta na tayo office? Nasaan yung ano? Punta na tayo office po? Ito muna. Baby, baby,